This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by importing your media directly into Capcut. Tap the timeline to select the audio clip you want to degrade. Make sure it's trimmed to the exact section. Once selected, duplicate the track if you plan to blend low quality with original audio for texture. Then open the audio toolbar and choose the advanced settings. This gets you straight into the controls that change fidelity. You're doing the first actionable steps now, not just prepping files. Once the clip is ready, focus on equalization and bitrate to craft low quality. Lower high frequencies and gently boost mids. You want muffled clarity, not harshness. Apply a low-pass filter to remove crisp details, then add light distortion or bit crush for gritty texture. If Capcut lacks bitrate export controls, export at lower quality then re-import, or use an external bitrate reducer. Make sure to preview at each step, so the degradation sounds intentional rather than broken. To finish, balance levels so the low-quality audio sits correctly in the mix. Reduce background tracks by 3 to 6 decibels, and normalize the degraded clip if needed. Export using a low bitrate setting, then re-import for an extra compression pass if you want harsher results. If you hear skipping, check sample rate mismatches between files and project settings, and remove one effect at a time to find the culprit. This gives you a predictable finish and one reliable troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.